Here we are on deck 19 of the Embassy Meraviglia Yacht Club pool deck. As you come through, you'll notice there are plenty of seating available with couches. Swing to the left, you have loungers. Where you can pick up your Yacht Club embroidered towels. Yacht Club logo on them. As we swing around, we come up to the grill and bar. A full service bar here on the Yacht Club pool deck. Coffees, espressos, cappuccinos. A fresh juicer for fresh grapefruit and orange juice. Fresh fruit available for snacking. And then we have a full grill. This time we're serving breakfast. It's a breakfast buffet along with an omelet station. Changes out for lunch and dinner. As we come back around, once again you'll see the enormous amount of lounge chairs. Couches with tables, the ambient lighting at night. Yacht Club pool. There is a little deck up here. The pool is heated to approximately 77 degrees. There is Dive from Destinations by Dive. Come around to the hot tub. Hot tub is approximately 100 degrees. Not as hot as we would enjoy, but it is still a hot tub. As we come through, the back area is the smoking section. And then we have the private cabanas available for rent. This one happens to be reserved for cabin 15003. As you can see, you have an ice chest, a cooler. There are glasses. They provide you with water, fresh fruit throughout the day. As you see, there is 3 of them available for rent on the ship. And that is your tour of the Yacht Club pool deck. Thank you.